Our topic is Permission-Oriented Android App Store. Nowadays, Android becomes the fastest growing operating system of smartphone. However, there are some potential risks due to the behavior of users. Many users download apps from the App Store without paying attention to the permission required, and they don't understand what the usage of the permission. So our project aims to suggest users which application to download based on the permissions and provide a permission-oriented Android App Store for them. What we done is that to design a risk score method which provide a quantitative expression for potential risk of apps to achieve the balance of benefits and permission, and develop an application which apply our risk score method. Before introduce our apps, we first explain what is the Android permission. In Android environment, the access to the system resources are controlled by permission. Android now defines 138 permissions which are categorized in 4 groups of permission level. They are normal, dangerous, signature, and signature or system permission. First of all, normal permission is the low-risk permission that contains no harm to user. The system automatically grants to the required permission without any notification after installing. Second, dangerous permission is a high-risk permission that controls the access to private data, which give a potentially harmful impact to user. The system will ask for the permission approval every time if they use the app. Also, signature permission is that the system grants only if the application is signed with the certificates which declare in the permission. And signature or system permission is that the system only grants to app signed with the certificate which declare in the permission or in the Android system image. Both of them are ignored when the developer application uses them. Besides, let's introduce our method for rating apps. Our flow of method is first to set a default value for every permission and adjust the value by user opinion setting on our app, then use the frequency oriented to calculate the value for every permission. Finally, sum up the value good by permission in app. So how to set a default value? By research. We deduct the normal permission is 2 since it's no harm to user, and dangerous permission is 3 since it controls the access to private data, and both signature and signature or system permission are 1 due to the system will ignore the permission required.
Now let me introduce other remaining part of risk score. The part 2 is user opinion. This part aims to adjust the risk score to be more suitable for various users with different opinions. For example, some users do not store any data in Canada. They will feel the Canada is the least important system application. On the contrast, other users may think the Canada is the most important, since they save a lot of important data in Canada. Since this phenomenon, we think that the risk score should be adjusted based on the user opinion. Moreover, as mentioned by Edwin, some system applications about privacy data are controlled by dangerous permission. So there is the equation which can adjust the risk score of each dangerous permission based on the user opinion. For this part, it can let the risk score be more suitable for different users with distinct opinion. Then, the part 3 is the frequency oriented. This part aims to consider the rare permission and common permission required on the given category or the given searching keyword. For example, when searching a category, say map, in Google Play Store, you can see the behavior that applications with keyword map always use internet permission and seldom use SMS permission. Then we can say internet permission is a common permission on the given category, and SMS permission is a rare permission on the given category. Now, there is an equation to show the behavior. Then, for this equation, it can decrease the risk score of common permission with respect to the given category. Moreover, during the survey and testing result, we also see another phenomenon that two permissions are relatively common on the given category, but they are not seen together obviously. Therefore, if the two permissions are required in one app. The app may not be secure. Hence, we consider the well permission pair on the given category. If the frequency of two permissions as a pair is lower than the threshold beta, this pair can call well permission pair. There is the equation to adjust the well permission pair. So, through this part, you can increase the risk score if there exceed well permission pair on the application. Finally, we sum up the risk score of permission required by application. Then we can see the final risk score of this application on the given category. Now, in order to apply our risk score method, we deliver a permission-oriented demo app, which is a use Java program to let users to search Android application in Google Play Store. The demo app is divided into 5 parts. First, the index page is the searching page. It is used to search application in Google Play Store. There is a search function which can input keyword like app ID, application name in the right blank box. In this searching page, there is a right top corner linking to the setting page. The setting page can let users to give their opinion about the score, which system applications are important to them. The range of score is from 1 to 5. 1 is the least important, and 5 is the most important. After searching, the permission page will be shown. It's used to show all permissions, with the search result descending by the frequency of user permission. Moreover, there are the checkboxes used to show which permission users are willing to have. If uncheck the checkbox, every application with that permission will not be shown in app page. Then, the next page is app page. It shows the application in search result and shows the risk score of each permission in this searching. The highest risk score is, means the more dangerous and insecure the application is. Moreover, when we click the application, it will be linked to the detail page. In detail page, it shows the information of the selected application. For example, the category application, or the name of the query, or the application description. Moreover, there is a link to Google Play Store, so that user can click the link to Google Play Store for downloading. Finally, let me introduce our future work. It consists of 2 parts: improvement of risk score and the improvement of demo app. About the improvement of risk score, I will show the accuracy of the method using dataset. The dataset contains some malicious application and secure application to show the risk score of them and analyze the result. Moreover, we consider the machine learning method to enhance Part 1 default score using future vector. Also, about the improvement of demo app, we will enhance the user interface to become more user-friendly. For example, in the permission page, we will add an alert box to show information of permission. Moreover, we will find a new API with a higher performance to let the searching become faster. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you.